You also could be an instance to where you have a hodgepodge of different jewelry and you don't know where to put them. Well, here's what you can do. Take an empty box. This is a box that was filled with chocolate before. And so what I purposed it to do is I'm going to repurpose it. It has a top also as well. It came together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to open it to where now I have two boxes. And then I'm going to take an old microfiber cloth that I have here and I'm just going to fold it over to be like my little cushion. Got a little dust on it. So I'm going to actually put on in this one. Uh-oh, camera moved, sorry. So put a little cushion there just to make it a little neat, so to go on there neat, nice and neat. So then I'll put my earrings in there. And it doesn't matter how straight it is or whatnot. You're not selling the jewelry. It's jewelry that you're wearing. So you could just put it real small. Actually, I'll take this one, this top here that I have. I'll move that little ditty. And I'll put this big one over here. I don't have a microfiber cloth for that, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Put this over here. These big ones, uh-oh. And then I will take these and put them over here like so. And I just wanna put them like nice and neat so that where I can see them at least. So if I'm getting up in the morning, afternoon, wherever I'm going, it's like, oh, I'll wear these today. Got little butterflies there. I love butterflies. And then I have this here. Put that like so, and the itty bitty earrings. I'll actually put these here. There we go. Right there. And then these are actually, it's actually a set. So I'll put this here like so and put these little ditties there. So that way they're not touching. Let's see, I don't know if I can get it in the camera there. There we go. And this too. This is like off of a little necklace. But here you have it to where you can see what you've got on, what you're gonna wear, and it's in a neat little box that I've already had, but I just repurposed it. So there we have it there. Okay, so here we have a bunch of bracelets. Some of them are different sizes, and we're wondering what the heck are we gonna do with this? They won't fit on my dresser. They'll fit on the dresser, but they won't fit in my jewelry box, or I don't have a jewelry box for them to fit. Well, again, it goes back to using what I have. I happen to have this cylinder-shaped base that I've had for the longest time, and it's filled with sand, so it's not gonna move. I thought about, hey, how about I use this to stack my bracelets? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it by size and kind of like angle it so it will all fit, because I have this cuff here. So what I've done was just adjusted the cuff a little bit so that it'll be angled, because I do wanna see it. I wanna be able to see what I have here. Put that on there like so, stack them up, stack them up. Got a little cuff here, that's adjustable. And your bracelets don't have to be adjustable. I just happen to have those. But as you can see, I have a wide array. And this skinny one here, that's there. So there you have it, using what you have. And guess what? There may be some additional bracelets that you have. I mean, move that little ditty over. So say, for example, you've got additional bracelets like this one. Now, naturally, you can also do the same thing. You can put this, stack this here too, and that's real cute. Or if you don't have a vase around, but do you have those eyeglass cases. Let me tell you, I had a bunch of these eyeglass cases at one point, and I gave them away. I tossed them away, and I was like, why do I have these? Well, I have a few left, and what I thought about was, how about I use these? And this is a brooch. No, this is not a brooch. This is actually a scarf holder. So I put that here, excuse me, and then I have these bracelets. Put them in there, and voila. You can use an eyeglass case for bracelets, for earrings even. You can use them for scarf holders, brooches. I mean, just about anything. Rings, whatever. And you see how it has that felt in the eyeglass case. It's just like a jewelry box. So you can actually keep your jewelry in here as well.